Right, got a beautiful Arctic Wolf limited edition. Look at all the storage. Ooh, LED lighting. You got another outdoor kitchen over here with 2 fridges. Well, look at this. 2 ACs, 2 bedroom. This is a beauty. Did nobody use their trailers? This thing is like spotless, guys. Look at this. Heated massage seats. Everything is like new. I'm not kidding. Look how beautiful this is. You got solar. You got another bedroom. You got an upstairs sleeping loft. You got a beautiful bathroom. But look at this. King bedroom, private, got your own AC, free delivery, free shipping.